Alright, so here's our project on Hermitage. In the front door, our big wide open entry space, exposed brick. Take you upstairs first, up the new stairs. So right here's a change. We're going to have to dormer this bathroom right here. So it's going to be a $1,000-ish change order. Because this is only 6 feet and look at headspace. There's really none in here. So we really don't have any other option but to dormer it. It's got 2 bedrooms up here. Big bedroom there. Master bedroom on the main level plus another bedroom. So on this master, you come in here. Master bedroom, master bathroom there. Master walk-in closet. Another bedroom coming off the door. Going downstairs. Got a lot of stuff in here. I'll have the truck here today to haul it all off. Installing the HVAC system, which is there. Electrical panels in. There's our unit. And there you have it. This project's cranking along. Looks great.